welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, I know I look crazy right now, but I don't know if you guys know this, but I recently cut my hair not too long ago. Well, it's been months now, but I cut my hair. My hair is green underneath here. I just got tired of wearing my hair, so I decided to put on a wig. I'm actually in the middle of trying to style it. Not only that, I'm in the process of doing my lashes because I was pulling my lashes off and stuff like that. I'm about to get it together. I will be posting a video on this hair that I have in my head and how I style and how I actually do it. I wanted to come and make a video and show you guys how I do my eyebrows while I'm actually doing my eyebrows, because usually I never record my eyebrows. So I just thought I'd show you guys how to do it. Let's get to the video. Basically for my eyebrows, what I use is Nair cream. Do not mind this. I really don't use this. This is the facial Nair cream for a lot of you guys that have sensitive skin and want to be more careful, because you really only supposed to leave it in for 5. I mean, basically it's not as strong as this Nair right here for your legs. I used to use this one, but I use this one for my face. Long story short, basically what I do, I put Nair on a Q-tip and I put it on my eyebrow. I used to do the top and stuff, but as of right now, I'm just gonna do the bottom just to show you guys exactly how I do it. For this process, you're going to need maybe some baby wipes. I like to use something that's like a little damp instead of using something like really, really dry. First of all, sis, let me wipe this off. I'm gonna wipe it off in camera. Because so basically what you're gonna need is some baby wipes. You're gonna need some freaking baby wipes. This is gonna be a short video, by the way. But you're gonna need some baby wipes. You're gonna need some Q-tips. You're gonna need your Nair. You take your Q-tip. You take your Nair. You put your Nair on your Q-tip. And basically you go underneath your eye. You go underneath your eye. You go underneath your eyebrow. So what I do first, I use my, I don't even know what to call this. I don't know, a spoolie or something. Basically, you take your spoolie and you brush your eyebrows up. This part up, and you brush this part back. Now, you go how your eyebrow is shaped. However you want to shape your eyebrow, you do. Okay? So, do not get this on your hair, please, because this removes hair like really quick. If you do your eyebrows with like a regular pencil or anything, this will be super easy for you. But then again, guys, I'm literally only cleaning it up. Usually I'll put some Nair here for my unibrow, and I'll put some Nair on top. When I do this, I don't leave all of that Nair on your face, because if you leave it on for too long, you're gonna have a big scar right there. What I do is I just put it to where my hair is actually at. I use the other side of the Q-tip and I take it and I wipe this part off. Wow, I didn't even take a picture of what my brows look like before. Now you take your wipe and you basically wipe it. All the hair is gonna come off just like that, all the dirt, honey. Something quick, something easy. Usually I would take my hair scissors. And I would cut up here. That's if my hairs are too thick. I mean too long. Too long. and I have weird eyebrows, this is what I do to clean them up. Now I'm going to take my pen. I got this pen from, I don't even know where I got this from. I got it from some beauty supply store. I'm going to basically do my eyebrow. Now when I do my eyebrows, I do a line here and then I start up here. It takes me so, I do my eyebrows pretty quick because I hate doing makeup long. There, this one I kind of messed up, but you can fix some concealer with that, no biggie. Oh, I don't know what brand this is. I got this in Target, and I think it's in toffee or toffee or mocha or something like that. I take it and I put it on my hand like that. I take it into my thing, and I dip it. Not all of it. Tap it.
What I call myself saying right here is basically do not put so much concealer. Put a thin layer, because I don't know what you guys be doing, but sometimes it don't be blending when you guys put a thick layer. So just do a thin layer and go ahead and bring it down.
Then I bring it down, because you guys don't know how to bring it down. And I do the other side. It actually took me not too long to learn how to do eyebrows. I actually learned how to do eyebrows when I was pregnant because my eyebrows are falling out. Homeboy had me going bald. Simple, suh. Period, poo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys feel below. Don't forget to comment some more videos that you guys want to see. It doesn't matter